What's up? Good morning. I'm back. It's been a while. We've been busy. We've been traveling. We've been taking care of other stuff. And now you're probably wondering where the hell am I? This is the latest project. Let me see if I can get it really good. Yeah, it took us a few days to build because I'm not as young as we used to be, so we're moving a little slower than normal. It's a quail coop. The wife wants to get into quails, and this is what I built. Right there. Not the wagon, the coop. They have plenty of room to run around. I still have to make the latch. Plenty of room to run around. They got a little dirt bath place, and it's right next to the chickens. We got plants all over on this side, so it'll be protected and critters can't see them. And then I gotta finish the garden. I gotta fence all this area up. That way I put a water spigot, fence it to the back, and the wife will have her garden area. But yep, that's the latest project. A quail coop. They say the eggs are more nutritious, the meat is good. I have no idea. We have 5. I think it's 4 roosters and a hen. So let's see. We'll see how it goes. We got to get more. Once they start laying eggs and stuff, we'll start hatching more. Let me take you to the shed so you can see what's going on over there. All right, that was a walk, but we're here. Let me turn on the light. Oh, much better. All right, you're probably wondering why I got my glasses, because I can't see a darn thing. Oh, this is another little project this is how it started. The wife wanted a little house for the quails to hide around, go in and out and stuff. And this is what I made. I gotta get hinges for it. I made hinges. I made some hinges, but I don't think they're gonna work that good. Because, whoops, they don't open 90 degrees. So I don't think I can put it in the back. But I'll print out some more. Well, I'll show you what this is in a minute. But this is it. Made a little coop type of thing. This is gonna go inside the cage. And then little doors for them to go in and out. And the wire mesh down here so it's easy to clean. And this is all from pieces of wood that I got hanging around. I've been chopping up stuff and getting pieces like this thing. This is horrible. It's all little pieces inside. But that's what I had, so that's what I used for the lid. See, it's all little pieces, like not even plywood, it's all pieces stuck together. But once I put the lid on, I'll put the hinges back there once I print them out. And they got a nice little coop. All right, here, I haven't finished doing any of this stuff. I saw these on a video. Some people use 90-degree elbows, plumbing, and I saw a picture of it, and I said, oh, I could do that. So I printed these guys out. What this does is they go inside any plastic container. The wife gave me this one, so, but you can put it in any plastic container. And then it goes in here like this, just like that. So now, because the quails, when they eat, they shake their heads and there's food all over the place, so you lose a lot of food. But with this thing, what they do is the food, you fill this up with food and it comes down to here. You can see my hand under there. The food will be down there. The quail will stick their head in through here, eat, and if they shake their head or whatever, it doesn't spill out. So you save money on food. So that's how it'll go. And it'll look like that. I cracked that one because no matter how nice and easy you try to go with a drill, you know, it's plastic, so you got to be careful. I'll just super glue it, and then when it's done, put the lid on it, and that's it. They got a feeder. And it's not much. Just open the holes. There's nothing to it. Make your lines, drill it out, put it together, glue it, and you got yourself a feeder. I think these things were like, the wife looked it up, like $6 on Etsy or something. I just saw the picture. I figured out how to make it, and the cost of the filament was like $1.60 each. So people are out there making them for like $5 to $7, and it looks cool. All right, that's it. That's what we've been up to. I haven't done videos on all of this stuff because Brandon's been asking me, hey, why don't you do videos? But still not used to this thing. So I just said, all right, I'll do a video on the 3 things that I've been working on this week. And I don't think you need to see, I mean, if you want step-by-step instructions on building these things, I can probably just make another one. I don't know if the wife wants to sell these things or if it's just for us. But I just made it from random parts. Random 2x4s that I cut in half and stuff like that. So it's just whatever I can find, that's what I made it with. Alright, that should be it. Hopefully I can post this and I have another video up. Take care.